So got to try grow this channel or do more stuff for this channel. So if you could subscribe to it, it's basically everyday plumbing. That's all I do. Anything to do with plumbing in the house. That's it. Except drains, I don't do drains. But everything else I do. So there's something else I don't do, but I can't remember off the top of my head. But this week we're doing bathroom, plumbing, breakdowns. So let's see what happens. So what we need to do here is sort that wash and basin, something over there, and pipes up for the shower waste. Probably just replumb that there in copper and do something with that to get the shower tray down lower. Shower tray here. So now fit the shower tray here. So unfortunately the joist is right on the shower tray, so it has to go up on legs. The shower tray is trapped. If it wasn't a tenement, I'd probably cut the joist in and re-brace it, but can't really do that in a tenement. So it has to go up on legs. But it is what it is. So let's get this shower tray done. So that's the shower tray in. Had to do a wee bit there because that's where the old waste was coming out at different heights, so I patched it in for the guy, but he's got a tank. Oh, this, I tell you what. So next thing to do is soil waste and wash and basin waste. Well done. Wash everything done. Everything first fixed, ready to go for the guys to do the prep work.